Shatta Wale say the godmother Hadia Kwaba. Okay. Shatta Wale say the godfather Kofi boat. And you're America. Shatta Wale akasa and a Kofi boat birthday I say couple of years ago. Kojina honomo eje microphone ekasa I say Kofi boat. So mu no Kofi boat na aboa. So there are numerous occasions that Shatta Wale any Kofi boat hangi a Shatta Wale you see Kofi boat di e wo nyumo. Nra fitiendwa na man for shase. There's one of the posts be who you know every a lover man honomo our Snapchat so and as a lover man and the description to Shatta Wale and the Lambo the soon says Shatta Wale Rolls Royce or Lamborghini yellow be or honomo San Lamborghini no match Shatta Wale mekai send in Saka Lamborghini no started Chiwo Street so on the medical Jina ho Pella bag Ghana crown ma Pella Tinemuni at the end and I'll say the facts have has I'll say can you have lover man and yes subject verb agreement. The Fed the Fed have confiscated Shatta Wale's borrowed Lambo and has placed him and his boys under investigation. The two Porsche cars he claims he owns are not his. The two Porsche cars are Obianes of Shatta Wale in recent times. I can say dia there's a balcony sipo so mudi kind key ben no a Rolls Royce no and then the other one a Lamborghini. So these are the two Porsche cars me sure say Nalaman I refer to.
The Shatta they were, if you mean I make pack in company, pack you get printing company. Where did they do t-shirts and things? So if you guys want some good looks, you know, some stuff, you can even link pack to as well. In my ACGP gang too, they do those things. But pack do this thing. Yeah, I make it right for the thinking is not what I'm thinking. Today, yeah, right for my Shatta. The thinking is not what I'm thinking. I will take picture of it. But my many of you for Ghana, your mother crowd. But your mother say, you probably watch me my life. And if you say, because any year when you come Ghana now, I think Nana Pia, they call Nana Pia in this, Shatta they go do. But man, see you people, you just make mistake for Shatta Wale. I be too clean boy. Where are they? I see ya because the artists and things they follow your favorite, the industry favorite. And then if you pull up the things that they pull up. So Shatta Wale there, they do fraud. Yeah. Make it top post they do fraud. You see, and you see the one thing people make mistake, you see the white people when they enter this country, they did the research. They not be stupid people. Yeah, no, my Rolls Royce, this is my Rolls Royce, they research out. They see how money come. It's part of music money. It's music money. If you don't know, come make we show you. It not be fraud. It be hard work and dedication. My nigga.